Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. In this quick video I'm going to take you through the steps of downloading and installing the new Serp Content Scraper software. The Serp Content Scraper software is a free tool that we've included with the video audio creator software. So once you've purchased the video and audio creator software, you'll be redirected to the training area once you have completed the payment via PayPal. Once you're in the training area, I've created a video on how to download and install the video audio creator software. So what we're going to do now is take you through the steps of downloading and installing the Serp Content Scraper software. Simply click on the button. It'll download the scs.zip file. This is, if you've bought one or two pieces of software from me before, this is exactly the same process. But I'll take you through just so we can see it in action. So you can right click, select copy, minimize your pages, go to your desktop and right click, and it works. And then select paste, replace the file. As you can see, I've already downloaded it once. Then what we want to do is left click it once and then right click and select extract to CSC. The software will extract. Double click to enter the folder. Double click the _lock.exe file, and then we'll be presented with our email address and license key. So just copy the email address, your registered Mass Optimizer email address, and then select copy the license, and then click on submit. A new version of the software is available. Do you want to update? Say yes to update to version 5. Let the software download and update. You don't need to enter this zip file. The software will do this automatically. So there we go. Software has now, the update is now downloaded. And then the software will load. That is how we can, or that is how we download and install the Serp Content Scraper. Thanks guys.